Hey, minasan, konnichiwa.
Oh,
Samurai engineer desu. Who are you?
I'm Fujiko and I'm 6 years old.
Okay. And what are you doing? Is this your pets?
Yeah, I'm playing.
These
with
are
Fujiko.
Jiko's pets. Who is the white one?
George. No, Peppa. It's Peppa.
How about the green one?
George?
George.
We're gonna feed
So, Jiko-chan is feeding Pippa and
George.
George.
Yay! Fantastic.
Fantastic, okay. Daddy agrees.
Daddy agrees.
That's fantastic.
Daddy fun queen.
Okay.
Daddy fun
So,
queen.
Jiko is using her fingers to feed Pippa and George one seed at a time. Nice, Jiko-chan.
Wait lang. George!
You can let them get out, but better for Pippa to get out than George because George is not able to get inside the cage again. So Pippa is trying to get out. Okay, oh Pippa. Where is Pippa now? There. It's outside the cage. She is now outside and flying. Pippa is flying and going back and forth. Back and forth. You can feed George. Okay, that's for today. See you again. Bye-bye. What will you say to the viewers?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look,
Yes.
si George walalo ang dawewet. Si George,
See George.
ito, look, like that,
Okay.
You can play with George,
You can feed George.
like that, like that,
Okay. See you again tomorrow.
Bye.